Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10 and I will show you how you can find and manage sound settings. Open the settings at the first, go for the sounds and vibration. When we are here we can change sound mode. Let's go for the normal mode. Here we can activate or deactivate vibration while ringing. Below we can change ringtone or notification sound for both SIM cards. So for example, let's change for the SIM first our ringtone. It's set up on the adventures, but we can get over the horizon. The same thing you can make with the SIM second, and for the notification sound, when we go for the volume, we can manually change ringtone media notification system volume level by moving this switcher on the left or for the right. We can also use the volume keys for media, so basically we can change function of the volume keys. When you activate this option, you can control media by using volume keys. The next option is the vibration pattern. Here we get also the system sound, like touch interactions, Samsung keyboard or charging. Below we can find sound quality and effects like Dolby Atmos, equalizer or adapt sound. And the last one is separate app sound. So here you can, for example, choose application, maybe YouTube, and right now we can choose where we can stream music or media from that app. So we can stream only to the Bluetooth devices. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.